Over 300 vehicles including goods trucks and passenger buses were stranded on Sunday on National Highway 2 in Manipur's Senapati district. The disruption has now continued for 5 consecutive days. The blockade is linked to a shutdown in Kangpokpi district. The shutdown was called by Kuki Inpi Manipur, an apex body of Kuki community. It began at midnight on May 13. The group called for a total shutdown across all Kuki inhabited areas. The protest was declared in mourning over the killing of 3 church leaders in Kangpokpi. The shutdown was later extended by another 48 hours. This extension was announced to protest the alleged detention of 14 Kuki civilians. The agitation has since spread across multiple areas. Kuki student organization Shadar Hills also extended support. It called for a 48-hour total shutdown across Kangpokpi starting midnight on May 15th. This further tightened restrictions on movement in the region. Vehicular movement on NH2 has been severely affected. The highway is a key supply route in Manipur. It connects the state to neighboring regions. It is also vital for transport of goods, fuel and essential supplies. Drivers and passengers are facing serious difficulties. Many have been stuck for several days without proper facilities. Some passengers have abandoned their journeys and returned home. Others have taken alternative and longer routes. A standard bus driver described the situation as difficult. He said passengers are suffering due to lack of water and sanitization. And he also said the prices of basic goods have increased sharply in the area. Rice is reportedly being sold at 110 per kg rupees and the potatoes are being sold at 80 rupees per kg. Transport operators have appealed for urgent government intervention. They have urged authorities to restore normal movement on the highway. They warned that prolonged disruptions could worsen shortages. Imphal Mao sector of NH2 is one of the most important supply lines in Manipur. It connects the capital region with other parts of the state and beyond. It is crucial for daily supplies and emergency logistics. Officials and local residents have raised concerns over possible shortages. They fear disruption in fuel supply and essential commodities. Continuous shutdowns may further strain the supply chain. The situation has also been worsened by the recent violence. 3 church leaders from the Thado community were killed in an ambush on Wednesday. They were returning to Kangpokpi from Churachandpur after a peace meeting. The attackers remain unidentified. The incident has triggered widespread anger and protest. The ongoing shutdown reflects rising tensions in the region. Authorities are being urged to restore peace and reopen the highway at the earliest. Stay tuned with us for more updates. Do like, comment, share and subscribe the channel.